Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over the differences between the WebViewer, the web client, and view-only users. The WebViewer is an online public calendar that appears on your website either directly or by placing a link to the calendar on your website. The WebViewer allows for an unlimited number of people to view your published schedules. Your users will be able to select the name they would like to view from the drop-down menu. They will also be able to choose the display type that they would like. They can click on day, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, by the month, or even by the year. From within the year view, if there was a specific date they wanted to look at, they could go over and click on that date to bring up that day's schedule. Users will not be able to click on events for additional information like they can with the web client and web client view-only users. To set up the WebViewer on the server side, you determine which names you want to include on the WebViewer calendar. To do this, you would go to Names List, Show Names List, click on the name you would like to add to the WebViewer, and check the WebViewer checkbox and update name. You can also set some other preferences from the server side. Under Web Access, click on WebViewer. From here you can determine if you would like to have your users log in or if you want to allow them to log in without a password. If you want to require a password, check the Login Required box and set up a name and password. From this screen you can also choose how often the Office Tracker server updates the WebViewer, from every 15 minutes to every 12 hours. Once you have made your changes, select Update Settings and OK. The WebViewer is great for organizations that want to share community event information, class schedules, facility availability, equipment sharing, public events, and similar time-based information. The affordability of the WebViewer makes it ideal when you need a large number of people to be able to see schedules, but you do not need them making changes. The WebViewer is an add-on feature to the standard Office Tracker program. The web client allows licensed Office Tracker users to log into the complete scheduling and contact system from web browsers using their username and password. This allows users to access their schedules conveniently from any location and is especially useful when they are away from the office or using a mobile device. Your users will be able to make changes to the schedule, print reports, and access the contact manager. The web client comes standard with the recent versions of Office Tracker. View-only users can access schedules via the desktop client installed on their machine or via the web client. View-only licenses are needed for any person that needs to log into Office Tracker to simply view the schedule. They can customize how they view the schedule. For example, which names appear, which view they prefer, day, week, month, or planner view, and more. View-only users can receive reminders and notifications, print reports and schedules, and can find and access the contacts in the Contact Manager. View-only users cannot add, delete, or change events or contacts in Office Tracker. Why would someone want to obtain view-only users? The view-only license offers a lower cost and more control, such as when you have a centralized scheduling person or persons who create the schedules for a larger number of people that need to view schedules and contacts, but do not need to make changes. Please contact our sales department if you would like to add the WebViewer or view-only licenses to your account. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!